Good morning!
Good morning, everyone.
Please subscribe, friends, and learn with us.
The morning is beautiful.
I will make some coffee. We need milk and bread.
I want pancakes. Me too.
Pancakes are delicious.
Okay.
We will make small pancakes today.
This looks good.
Breakfast is almost ready.
Apples are for breakfast today. I can help. Mom, here you are. My book is here. I need my shopping. Do we need eggs?
Yes, we need eggs.
Can we go to the store?
Yes, after we clean the kitchen.
Mom, your phone is close to the sink.
The sink is very wet.
My phone is too close to the water. Oh no! My phone!
Your phone fell into the water.
Use a towel, Dad.
Thank you. Here you are, Mom. Thank you, sweetie.
Is it broken?
It may be broken. Do not charge it.
Why, Dad?
Water and electricity are not safe together.
Good idea.
I have more towels.
Dry it carefully.
Let's check it later.
Can we save it?
Yes. We can take it to a repair shop this weekend.
A phone doctor.
Yes, a phone
First,
repair shop.
subscribe and learn with us.
Phone.
Water.
Towel.
Good English practice.
Let's go.
I am ready. I will write the new words. I will help you. Please get in the car. I'm safe. Me too.
There is the repair shop.
We are here.
How long will it take? Yes, about 1 hour.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can we wait nearby? Yes, there is a cafe next door. Hello, what would you like? 1 coffee, please.
Tea for me, please. Apple juice, please.
Hot chocolate, please.
Certainly. Good news! It works now. We solved the first problem.
I feel better now.
New words.
Phone, water, fix. Thank you so much.
You too.
Have a nice day.
Smart English with us.